Hazrat Urwa radiyallahu anhu says that his father Hazrat Zubair said, I met Ubaidah bin Saeed bin al-As completely covered with armor and nothing but only his two eyes were visible. His technonym was Abu Dhat al-Karish. He said, I am Abu Dhat al-Karish. So Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu attacked him and pierced his eye with the spear and he died. Hisham says that I was told that Hazrat Zubair said, I put my foot on him and exerted myself to pull it out, whereas its both ends got bent. Urwa says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked for that spear which he presented to him. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, he took it back. Thereafter Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu demanded it, so he gave it to him. When Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu died, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu demanded it from him, so he gifted it to him. When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu died, he regained it. When Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu demanded it from him, he gave it to him. When Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu was martyred, it came into the possession of Hazrat Ali's progeny. At last, Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu requested it from them and it remained with him till his martyrdom. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3998.